We're here on Maho Beach.
Trying to figure out what we're doing.
Shawnee and I.
So I'm sorry.
Hit my camera. Anyway, this is the infamous Maho Beach. Everybody goes over to Sunset Bar and Grill, which is right over there, to watch planes come in. We're at the end of the famous Princess Juliana International Airport on St. Martin, Maho Beach. This is where you go. You go to guys' Driftwood Boat Bar. There's nobody here. You get a drink quick. If you don't need any food, they got food over at Sunset Bar and Grill. Just go right here, Driftwood. They make a hell of a rum punch here. Man, don't have no facilities except for a porta potty and places to sit. But you don't face the crowd like you do over there. And this is what it's famous for. Big ass jet will come right at you to land on the runway, which is directly behind me. It looks like it's going to land right on your head. It's probably 100 foot up above you. Here he goes, here he comes, right on top of your ass. Then puts down right there, Princess Juliana. We've landed here, took off here, it's great. Nowhere in the world that I know of you can get that close to a large commercial jet. I don't know how they haven't banned it, but you can still get this close. Alright.